In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best mini fridges. Let's save your time and money. I am going to show video reviews on the 5 best mini fridges on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches. And I am try to list those based on price, quality and more. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest top rated product updates. Number 5. Danby Compact Mini Fridge. This Danby Compact all refrigerator is our second Danby pick for the list, but don't think it's any less effective than the first. The sleek black design makes it stand out by not standing out and means it can sit modestly in your room without tempting you too much. Again, there's a can store beverage system for simple retrieval and removable shelves to make the most of the space. For maximum convenience and customization, the door is reversible for fast access during those times where you can't spare a second. It also provides a range of temperatures to suit different food and drink. All in all, it's an excellent little dorm fridge that served many a cramming student long into the night, especially with midterms right around the corner. Our handy guide to the best soft-sided coolers features more great products like this. Number 4. Danby Designer Mini Fridge. The Danby Designer DAR026A1BDD3 is a mini fridge that makes the most of its interior space. We like the fact that it doesn't include an integrated freezer. They never work that well anyway, which means that it has 3 removable racks in the main compartment. It might only have 2.6 cubic feet of space, but every inch of it is usable. The feature that really impressed us was the can store beverage dispensing system. It allows you to fit 8 cans in the door and still leave enough room for a tall soda bottle and more. It's also worth mentioning that this fridge is Energy Star rated, meaning that it's more energy efficient than most kitchen appliances. Number 3. RCA Mini Fridge. If you're looking for a more powerful mini fridge that's not just designed for beers, the RCA RFR322B is one of the best. Featuring 3.2 cubic feet of interior space, you can stock up on enough food and drink to last a week, at least. The designers clearly spent a long time ensuring that every inch of the interior space was used. There are 2 racks in the main compartment, a small freezer compartment, and a series of different sized drink shelves in the door. Inside the RCA RFR322B, there's an adjustable thermostat that allows you to select the right temperature. One slight issue we've found with this fridge is that the freezer compartment isn't separated, so it can sometimes freeze the contents of the top shelf. We wouldn't recommend keeping the freezer on a high level. Number 2. HomeLab's Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. A glass-fronted drinks fridge is essential for any man cave. Sure, they might not be as efficient as a standard fridge, and you've got to keep them constantly stocked up, but that's a small price to pay. With the HomeLab's Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler, you can keep up to 120 chilled cans of your favorite drink to hand. It features advanced temperature controls that cools the fridge down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit and a digital monitor to check and adjust the temperature. Inside the fridge, you get a set of removable racks that are placed perfectly for small cans. Plus, there's an interior LED light, making this fridge more of a design centerpiece. It's also impressive how energy efficient this glass-fronted beer fridge is. The powerful 120V240W cooling system combines an almost silent compressor and a convection fan to quickly and keep cold air circulating the fridge. It's also equipped with an extra temperature sensor to automatically defrost the fridge. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Mini Fridge. Coming in first place for the best mini fridge is the Black Plus Decker BCRK25B, but we'll just call it the B plus D for now. This compact fridge is the #1 choice for dorm rooms, man caves, and bedrooms as well as everything in between. With it, you'll get 2 full-width glass shelves to store food and drink, as well as a freezer compartment complete with an ice cube tray. Despite its 2.5 cubic feet interior, it's still not too large to get in the way. Furthermore, if you're concerned about noise keeping you up at night, you'll be pleased to know it's completely silent. However, you might struggle to find the perfect temperature balance with some setting. Regardless, when it comes to convenience, space, and functionality, there's little competition. With the B+D, staying cool has never been so simple.